Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of NerdWallet, a platform that's become a go-to resource for personal finance management. Whether you're budgeting, you're comparing credit cards, or planning a mortgage, NerdWallet aims to be your financial co-pilot. We'll explore what it is, its features, how it stacks up against budgeting apps like YNAB and PocketGuard, its pros and cons, and whether it deserves a spot in your financial toolbox. Let's get right to it. NerdWallet is a financial services platform designed to help people make smarter money moves. Since its launch in 2009, it's grown into a financial hub for millions. What makes it unique is its combination of comparison tools, educational content, and free financial tracking, all wrapped into one accessible, user-friendly ecosystem. You can think of NerdWallet as a financial GPS. It won't make decisions for you, but it gives you the clearest directions toward your better financial outcomes. Whether you're choosing a credit card, you're looking for a mortgage, student loan refinancing, or even exploring the best finance. But it's not just a comparison engine. NerdWallet also offers interactive calculators, expert-written guides, product reviews, and account integration so you can track your spending, your credit score, and financial goals in real time. Everything is personalized based on your financial profile. It is truly a one-stop shop because you can check for credit cards to car insurance, savings accounts to student loans. Now let us talk about the main features of the NerdWallet. Product comparison tools. This is NerdWallet's bread and butter. You can compare hundreds of financial products, credit cards, loans, banks, insurance policies, with filters for rates, perks, user ratings, and more. These tools are very comprehensive and always up to date. Credit score tracking. With a free NerdWallet account, you get access to your TransUnion Vantage Score credit score and credit report insights. It updates weekly and comes with actionable tips for improving your score. Account integration and budgeting. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards to view spending habits, set goals, and track your net worth. It's not as robust as a full-fledged budgeting app, but it's a helpful high-level snapshot. Educational resources. Their blog and resource center is massive. You'll find guides for first-time home buyers, tax filing tips, debt repayment strategies, and even tips for choosing pet insurance. Calculators galore. You need to figure out how much house you can afford, or what a balance transfer will save you, or you're thinking whether to buy or rent. There's a calculator that helps you do that. Actually, multiple calculators. Mobile app. The NerdWallet app mirrors most of the web functionality. It's well designed, it's secure, and it's easy to navigate on the go. How does NerdWallet compare to two other popular budgeting apps, YNAB and PocketGuard? YNAB is all about proactive detailed budgeting, and you manually assign every dollar a job. It's hands-on, educational, and ideal for people trying to change their relationship with money, but it does have a learning curve and it costs some money. PocketGuard, on the other hand, is streamlined and automatic. It connects to your accounts and shows how much you can spend, and it's simpler than YNAB, but with fewer customization options. Now here is where NerdWallet beats both down. NerdWallet is broader in scope. It's not focused solely on budgeting, it's about full spectrum financial decision making. You get spending tracking, yes, but also real-time credit updates, product comparisons, and tons of content to help you build financial literacy. Now let us head on to the pricing. NerdWallet is free. There's no monthly fee, and that's because NerdWallet makes money through partnerships with banks, lenders, and credit card companies. Even the tools on the platform are free, for example the calculators. So this is one of the strongest pros of using NerdWallet. Now let us talk about the pros and cons in detail. First, the pros. Wide range of financial tools in one place. It has a clean, intuitive interface, personalized recommendations based on your financial profile, and you keep getting financial tips on the website. Like I said earlier, it's also free to use. What about the cons? Budgeting features are not as powerful as dedicated apps. Product comparisons may be influenced by partnerships, and there is no direct financial coaching or custom strategy building. From all we've considered, it is obvious that NerdWallet is a fantastic platform if you're looking to take control of your finances holistically. It's like having a virtual financial advisor in your pocket without the hourly rates. Whether you want to find the best credit card, you want to compare mortgage rates, or tips on how to build an emergency fund, NerdWallet has something for you. Now, it may not be perfect if your focus is on detailed budgeting, but for general financial empowerment and learning, it's honestly one of the most well-rounded tools out there. Here's the takeaway. NerdWallet is a launchpad. It won't do the work for you, but it gives you all the knowledge, the tools, and the suggestions to make smarter choices. And it won't cost you a dime. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mint by Credit Karma, Monarch Money, and Wallet Hub. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.